We get a lot of questions about how we can save multiple files at the same time. So there's a couple of different things we can do. So if I want to save multiple PDFs, this is very relevant if we've got the Solid Edge 2D as well. So if we've got somebody that's running as a license, we can't do save as PDF and we can't use the batch tool. But if we go from the home screen, we can go to print and we've got our print drawings option. So what we can then do from here, so once we've selected the files that we want on there, let me just find a draft file. So we can go and open a draft file from here. We can go and browse and we can find additional draft files. So on here we can just keep going and do additional draft files. We can decide which sheets we want. So we can go and tick which ones we want on there. And then we can use our Microsoft Print to PDF. So this is going to allow us to select loads of different draft files and print all those really quickly. So that's a nice little way. You can do that within Solid Edge, and we can do that within the 2D version as well. The other little tool we've got, so I've got these saved already. So there's a little file. There's a little file called batch. What I would do, I would physically add that here on the loading screen. So I want to show you how to do that. So if we go to our customize option on there, what we're going to do, we're then going to go to customize. This is going to customize the environment that we're in. So this is the no document environment that we're going to be looking for. So what we're actually looking at is this one from the quick access. What we're going to choose from the second box down, we're going to choose this and we're going to choose macros, and then we're going to browse at the bottom. So what we're going to do, we're going to browse to where Solid Edge is installed. So we're going to go to our C drive, we're going to go to our program files, and then we go down to our Siemens. Beware if you're on Siemens ST10, Solid Edge ST10 or before, you have to go to Unigraphic Solutions and then go to Solid Edge, whatever version you're currently on. And then we're going to go into this little custom folder. Just be aware that from the next version onwards, this won't get installed with Solid Edge. So you will have to go and download this externally. But if we go into the custom folder, there's quite a few little options on there. There are other free ones available online. So if you're on the forum, the guy that runs the Facebook group has got loads on his website, so it's worth having a look on there as well. So the one that we're going to look for is the batch file. So I'm just going to jump back and just select the bin file and then select folder. This is then going to show those. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the batch exe. So let's just remove that one and just pop that in. So what we're going to do, batch exe, we're just going to click add. Make sure where you want it to go, just kind of click on one of the other options in there. So I've got open save as another option on there, and then just save that as your own theme. If it's currently one of the Solid Edge, just save that as my theme or whatever your initials are. Save, close. That's then going to be there available for us. So batch exe is then going to come up. We can then browse to a folder, and here we can print all draft documents. We can convert to any different file formats, so including PDF, DXF, all the different kind of options on there. When we're doing this, make sure we select the appropriate option, selected files only, all files, and then we can just decide where that's going to output to. So a really great little tool. Solid Edge will be turning on and off in the background, so just be aware of that. Okay.